Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Imtiaz and this is the 5% Club. So this is another strategy video, guys. So this is a very good strategy and this uses very minimal uh, technical analysis. Okay, this strategy 90% depends on your psychology, how you trade it, how you see a market and everything. So the name of the strategy is key levels because we are going to use only two horizontal lines. Okay, if required to understand the exact position of entry or exact level, we might use one or two horizontal lines. That's it. I mean vertical lines. So this basically includes important level will be two horizontal lines. That's it. Okay. So let me go to the charts and show you guys how it's done. This is a very good strategy, guys. It's a very profitable strategy. Okay, people have been using this a lot and they made very good profits. Okay, so first, how are we going to analyze? What are we going to analyze? So we're going to analyze US oil and crude oil. Okay, first to identify the trend, we are going to see the daily for trend identification. Okay, trend for trend identification. Next, in 4 hours, we are going to draw the levels, and in 5 minutes, we have entries. Okay, this is just to know the trend. 4 hours is to mark our levels, and 5 minutes is our entry. So let me go to the chart and show you guys how it's done. Let me go to a random place and show you guys. So this is 4 hour time. No, this is daily. First daily, it's a downtrend. Okay, daily is in downtrend. So just for a visual aid, I'm drawing this downtrend. Now let's go to 4 hours, and we have to. Next is we have to mark. See, price action is horizontal level, technical, psychological levels. Okay, that's it. So we have to identify the trend in daily time frame. We already did. It's a downtrend. Draw two horizontal lines at Friday's last 4-hour candle and Monday's first 4-hour candle. Let me explain that in the video. So okay, this is a Monday and Friday. Yeah, this is Friday's last 4-hour candle and Monday's first 4-hour candle. What should I do here? How should I do here? So Friday, what do I do is I'll come here on Friday. I'll mark the high and low of the Friday's candle. Okay, done. See, this is Friday. Next is Monday. So next, once the Monday is open, what do I do is Monday's high and low will also be marked. Okay, if Monday's high or low breaks any of this level, that will be the new high or the new low. Okay, so this is Friday and this is Monday. Because Monday has both of these levels inside Friday's candle, we can leave it as it is. And now what are we going to do? We're going to shift it to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, we will shift to 5 minutes time frame. Just a minute, let me just see the dates there, so it's easy. Okay, the date here is 3rd of November. Let me go to 3rd of November. Okay, 2nd. Okay, this is 3rd. So how do I trade this? So these are the levels. Okay, so these are the levels which are marked already. 3rd of November, how do I trade? So Monday, I see the price has broken out of this zone. These are our key level zones. This is our psychological zone. We don't take any trades inside the zone. Once the market has crossed this, okay, once the market has crossed with an impulsive move, not on the first one, on an impulsive move, we enter. So this is an impulsive move, this is not. This is an impulsive move, we enter, set a stop loss of 25 points. Okay, and we capture 1:3. We got it? Great. So one target is a profit. See, it has come till this and it's gone up. But okay, even if I move it here and keep my stop loss on this level, see how close it's come and gone. 1:3. This is how sometimes people might take losses, but it's totally fine. Here you should enter. This will be your take profit. 1:3, easy. That is, you're losing 2,500. You're making a profit of 7,500 on a time span of 7 hours. Great. So next, what do? We wait for it to breach again, but we are not taking any trades inside the zone. If you see, it has breached here. okay, on the downside. So what do? I enter here. My stop loss is 25 points. 1:3. Done. We got this on Tuesday. We got this on Monday. We got this on Tuesday. Great. So guys, there's another tip, that is, if you want, you can even trail your stop loss. Trailing stop loss is very important. You see the swing, keep it on the swing. Okay. Market comes here, goes up. Next will be this swing. Next, this swing will be your SL level. Goes up, down. This swing will be your next level. This swing. Yes. So here the trade would have been like this. That is, you would have made around 1:1.8, 1.6 something. Okay, but the risk is also reduced a lot. You see, risk is also reduced a lot here, because we have moved it into the zone, or we moved the stop loss to 10 points. Once your stop loss moved here, you move this here. So even if market comes down very rapidly, you're on a profit. Okay, so here you would have made around 1:1.8 because of trading stop loss. Let me get rid of all this thing. Okay, so on the downside, if you see, down, up, here what happens, we will move our stop loss to this level. Next is down, up, we'll move our stop loss to this level. Then we'll move to this level. And what will happen is, here I will 1:3, I will book. Most of the time, how do I do is, when the market is going down, okay, I will 1:3, I will book 90% of my profit, and I will move my stop loss to cost and keep it off. And I let the market go as much as I want. I'll just leave it. I'll just let it go, because see, catching this kind of profit and all is huge. Okay, you would have made easily, like, even if I had a stop loss of 10 points, let me just keep a stop loss of 10 points. I entered here. This is my stop loss of 10 points. Just look at this, 1:31. That is huge. Okay, once this location is crossed, that is, once this swing is broken, it's huge down. And if you see, it's been going very much, like, basically it has given us 1:50 also sometimes, I guess. Yeah, it is given 1:50. So this kind of trade is what you will get. But here, this is why I'm telling, psychological level matters a lot. 1:3, book 90%, and after that move it to cost and keep it. That is the best way to trade this strategy. I hope you guys understood that. So this is the strategy, guys. It's so simple. All you have to do is find a Friday and a Monday's candle. Okay, markets high low. So we checked it on November 2nd. Now let's see a little earlier. Let's see it here. This is on October 23rd. October 23rd. Let me mark the high and low. Okay. This is Monday. This is Friday. Friday's high. Monday's low. Okay, we have marked it. We are waiting here. Okay, this is date is 20th of October 20 and 23. So let me go to 5 minutes time frame. Go to. Oh, sadly I don't have the plan, but it's fine. Okay, 23rd exactly, we got it. So here, if you see, my one stop loss got hit. Okay, one of my stop loss got hit here. This is not an impulsive move, so will I trade it? Yeah, why not? I can definitely give it a try. So 25 points. My stop loss got hit here, and after that, these are not impulsive moves, so I won't enter. This is an impulsive move. This is an impulsive move, so I will enter. This will be my stop loss, 25 points. Hit immediately. Next is this one. So here I enter, 25 points again. That's it. Let's see how the market goes. You see this, guys, you see how this is giving profits. I lost 5,000 here, but here I made around 11,000 in one trade. Easy. If I hold it, I'm making more than that. If imagine, see, nobody can hold it till this. It's very tough to hold it till this, but people definitely can hold it till this. Yeah, 6,000. It's easy. Here we made it. Here we made good money. Here we made good money. Okay, so you apply this. Okay, you apply this. You apply this on every chart, that is US oil and crude oil. It will work very well, guys. It will work extremely good. These are some of the best strategies. Okay, or not out. I'm giving it, and these are traded by me on regular basis. Okay, if the market is sideways and all, I shift strategies, and 3-4 months I keep shifting strategies. So this is how I trade it. Okay, so you have to know how you have to do it. So here all the rules are written here. Change the time frame to 5 minutes. Don't enter if the first breach. Wait. Okay, you have to wait on the first breach. Don't enter if it's until unless it's not impulsive. Don't enter it. If it's impulsive in the sense, it should come fast. If it's fast, you can enter it and then you can hold it. Please don't rush into a trade. Enter the trade and set SL at the zone as explained. That is, if the zone is, see, if the zone is somewhere here. Okay, if the zone is somewhere here. Okay, okay, and you enter a trade here, you can keep even this as a stop loss. But 25 points, why I say is market, it's easy for market to come. The two, when it's US oil, it's easy for it to move. It's very easy for it to move. So you have to stick to your stop loss no matter what. Okay, and please don't trade more than 3 trades a day. Okay, that should be your maximum. Don't enter anywhere in the zones, as I explained. If it's in the zone, that is, if this is the zone, this is the high of Friday and this is a Monday, don't trade anywhere inside this. This is a no trade zone for you guys, no matter how good of a setup you see. Enter here or here. Yeah, this is how it's going to be done. So I hope I have explained everything to you guys in this video, and I hope these are the rules. Please read the rules. This will help you guys to be a profitable trader. Please don't lose more than 2% on your account, because it's going to easily make you zero. Alright, so thank you so much. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like this strategy. If you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe. If there is any kind of a doubt, please comment on the comment section, so it's easy for me to clarify it to you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.